If you've been looking for that ideal solution to scrub stubborn stains from your car's interior, I have a few options for you. Come check them out. I'm going to show you how I use the 3 options here for the Scrub Ninja. So on the mitt, the larger mitt, it's great for larger flat surfaces. So I can use the mitt on the dashboard. I like to use it on larger surfaces such as seats or even the center armrest. And then we have the finger mitt version, which I really like to use to get in between the seats. A lot of detailers miss the inside of the seat here, and so it's good to get even both sides at once sometimes, depending upon how tight this gap is. And you can also use it to get inside of cup holders. You know, if you're spilling coffee or something in here, it can get stubborn to clean with just a rag. So you can use the Scrub Ninja there or in other tight spots with the finger size one. And then we have the block, which I like to use when I need a little bit more control, usually like on the steering wheel or slightly hard to reach spaces, but spaces that I'm not using the actual finger mitt. So I'm going to show you how I combine the interior flip that we just talked about in another video with P&S interior cleaner and the Scrub Ninja. So I like to spray it directly onto the pad, and the block is probably my go-to one, to be honest. And the bristles are soft, but they do scrub more than you would think without damaging the surface. All right, so we don't have to use a lot of pressure. The bristles will scrub a decent amount without you having to really agitate with a lot of pressure. But you can see how, you know, even the steering wheel, which to the naked eye looked pretty clean, has deposited a good bit of dirt and grease onto the Scrub Ninja. So we know it's working. And then we're going to use our new interior flip to kind of dry it off and get the remaining residue. Now, I've said this before in multiple videos, but this is a tool that I got in that I didn't know that I would use a lot, but I end up using it all the time.